So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy PayPal stock on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the top right and press on the search or the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here for PayPal, type in ticker symbol PYPL. At the top here, PayPal is what you're looking for. Press on that. So if you want to buy PayPal stock, go to the bottom left and press on trade. Then press on the green buy button. And once you're here, you can go ahead and change the order type by pressing on order type right here. You can make this a limit order or a market order. You can also go ahead and change the quantity as well. So for example, if you wanted to buy, let's just say 10 shares, the estimated cost for this would be about $654.90 USD. And if you want to proceed with however many shares you want to proceed with the transaction, press on the green buy button and follow the steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy PayPal stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.